guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making some chest piece UV resin keychains. So I'm going to start off here by showing you guys that I'm using transparent black dye alcohol inks as well as a blue alcohol ink. And we're going to use that along with our UV resin. As you can see here, I am using a chest piece. This one is going to be a king. And it's going to be a cute little keychain. You see I'm opening the bottle and I'm opening the whole top when I'm supposed to just open up that little nozzle. Don't know what I was thinking, but it's okay. We're going to keep going. And I'm using a nozzle to go down into the mold because when I use my regular epoxy and mix it up in a cup and pour it into the mold, it always creates an air bubble or an air pocket. So you can see here I'm trying to get any air bubbles out. Just winging it, honestly, just going out on a whim. We try and get these air bubbles out. I'm gonna go ahead and poke it with my cuticle pusher. I bought a 100-piece cuticle pusher set. I mean, not set, but it's like pieces. So I'm using some of those for my art. Yeah, here I am trying to poke the hole out with the sharp part of the cuticle pusher, and it's working. It's working a little bit, I can say. It's a struggle. It is. But we getting through it. We shall prosper. So once I get that little hole, that bubble out, I should say, I'm gonna I'm actually still trying to get this bubble out, it looks like. Oh yeah, I got the bubble out. So now that I got the bubble out, I'm gonna add some more UV resin into the mold. And I'm squeezing the mold so that once I add the UV resin and release the pressure, the extra resin that I just put in will go into any open spots that was, previously empty, missing resin. So I'm going to go in and add a couple drops of this blue alcohol ink to give it some color. We're going to do, it's a blue set, his and her blue set, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, we're going to add some blue alcohol ink into this one. And I'm mixing it, I'm twisting it. And I'm trying not to create air bubbles because I just struggled all that time, as you see, to get all them air bubbles out. And yeah, so here I am mixing up the blue alcohol ink into the top of the mold, and then I'm going to run some UV resin down the wooden stick to try to get some of the extra blue alcohol ink off. But spoiler alert, it doesn't work. It does not work. As you can see, it's still on the stick. So it's just like, all right, let me grab another stick and try to scrape it off, right? That's what we're going to do. Try to scrape it off. And then it's sunny. So as you see, I'm working in the sun, which I probably shouldn't have been working in the sun. So it's starting to dry up on the stick a little bit. So it's like, all right, you know what? Fuck it. We're just going to keep going. So now let's close that on up. And we're going to put that to the side and add some more UV resin to this mold. We're going to add some more resin up on the top of that blue. Yep, nice little swirl. Try to get that resin to touch the sides of the mold so that way it just slides down into all the creases, all the sections. Yeah, that's looking good. Not sure if you can tell, but there is like a little gap between where the blue is and the top of the UV resin. So I'm going to go in and add the black alcohol ink into this, and we're going to, that alcohol ink was definitely a struggle to open. As you can see, I squirted pieces all over the place. And you know what's crazy? This black actually looks purple, if I must say. Yeah, it definitely looked purple. Or was that purple I was using? I'm not sure. But we're gonna go ahead, we're just gonna mix that up slightly without trying not to create too many air bubbles. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. Scraping off all that extra UV resin as well. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your shit. So I tried to go on off camera and make a clean girl squirt. And anyway, I tried to go on off camera and make a clean, oh my god, it's like a little air bubble, an air pocket in there. I'm filling it with resin to hope that the resin will get sucked down into the hole. So yeah. I'm trying to pop these air bubbles. I need a torch, man.
I'm here trying to squeeze $1 out of a dime, and I ain't even got a cent, man.
Air bubbles away and suck in some better. Boom. So hopefully that's sucking up. I'm trying to be fancy and I spilled all my good shit, man. I think I got all my little pieces in here. So what I'm gonna do is do it again. So I added these, but I only got a little bit left. I want to save them for somebody else like me that want to buy it. So what I'm gonna do is add some of these. Some of these. Okay. I'm not really a big fan of this. These little hexagons. Color, I'm not sure what to call them. Put a little bit of those. And a little bit of the purple ones. Because we're going on a purple and blue one. Ooh, that might be a lot. So what I'm going to do is mix this up. And we're going to see how this turns out. We're going to mix that up. Then we're going to add a layer. And here's the secret I'm going to do. I don't know what's going to work, honestly. So what I'm going to do is mix this up. Alright, I'm sorry. Then we're gonna cure that again. Because I'm gonna fuck around all the cure that. We're gonna try to.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Do a little opening. See how this turns out. Well, I think I should top this off too. So I'm gonna top this off and I'll be right back.
Thought you ate that. Bitch, you.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you got any ideas or anything you'd like to see me make. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Keep enjoying it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.